What's the meaning of amend? Amend. 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 Amend.
The word amend refers to the act of making corrections or improvements to something that is faulty or incomplete. When someone amends something, they are essentially changing it in some way to make it better, more accurate, or more effective. This could involve fixing errors in a legal document, revising a company policy to make it more fair, or updating a piece of software to improve its functionality. In general, the result of amending something is a better, more refined version of the original that is more useful and reliable.